Few weeks ago, I was talking about how to kickstart your career in UX and UI design. So in that topic, I was mentioning that you have to practice UI design with the help of Figma. So you have to trace the good looking design and you have to practice. In today's topic, I am going to talk about how to start practicing in UI design using Figma. All right, so let's get started. Hi, I am Rambal from Aspira. Happy to see you again. In today's topic, I am going to give a small demonstrations how to start practicing UI design on your own. All right. So now currently I am having this screen. So this is actually I have taken the screenshot from the Behance project. So if you are a beginner, you have to start with something like the simple screens. Don't try to create a very complicated screens. At the beginning, you have to start with the small steps. All right. So first, I'm going to create the frame. So this is going to be 16 Pro and duplicate this. I'm going to keep this screen inside. Now I am going to keep this design inside the frame. All right. So now I'm going to move this towards to the right. So first thing is what I'm going to do, I'm going to tracing the header sections. So this is not a pure circle, squared, rounded. So I'm going to start this profile pic. So it's not full circle, it's then name, it's an inter, I pick the color, then font size 20. All right, so little bold, so I'm going to keep it here. They play with the letter spacing. Then the next word, so zoom in close. I'll pick this color. So this is a color, and it's a regular font size would be 12. Yeah. So here also they have, yeah, 1.5. It's fixed properly. Then follow. Before that, I have to pick the color. Right. Yep. Then I'm adding the stroke color, and this one corner radius full rounded, so make it round. So far we had traced the header section, so I'm going to hide this. Now I'm going to compare with my designs. Yes, so I'm almost similar. So except the flag, I had traced everything almost same. Right. So we are going to finish with the remaining things. Visited places. All right. So now we had created a set of informations for this card. So anything is repeated there? Yes, it's been repeated over here. So it's very, very easy. We have to make a duplicate of all this text and we'll move down. And here they have, instead of visited places, they have a saved places. So we are going to fix it. Then 14 friends visited. So we'll remove this text with 14 friends visited. Then here it's about 14. And so if you want, you can align with the right alignment of this text. Right. So it's over. Now we have a small twist. It's been reversed. So I'm going to pick this color. This color only they are applying. And it's going to be 12. And the right alignment. And this is got a counter. This alone they have a special variations of the font and most visited place. Now I'm going to duplicate only these two informations. So this is little bit, yeah, and they have played with letter spacing and little bold. So match the taste, then duplicate, same thing for next. So favorite category, and this one 55 percentage. All right, so 84, no, 80, not semi bold, it should be medium. Yeah, it fit perfectly. Then 21 percentage. Yeah. So now we had created all the text. The next thing is we are going to create the background colors. So I'm going to apply this color. All right, I'll fix this. Next one, the orange color. And down, then duplicate the pink color. Then duplicate so this alone we have a small different corner radius in the bottom. So we can have it like 40 and 40. So now we have traced the design exactly as it is. We'll see the things. Right. So now we have almost same design. Somewhere around 5 to 10% minor variations will be there. So if you are going to practice this kind of a tracing activity, then what will happen? Automatically, you will be start understanding the color schemes, understand the font. That means you can able to identify the font by seeing itself. All right. So these are the stuff will be happen inside. It will be processed inside within you. So this is you have to do it for daily 1 hour and minimum of 30 to 45 days with the different designs. Then what will happen? You have a great exposure on all kind of designs. Then automatically you will be understanding the colors, font, combinations, spacing, and the design principles, right? So without learning anything, by doing this itself, you can be able to come to some sort of a perspective on this. I hope you like this topic. If you have any queries, we can discuss on the comment sections, and I will catch you soon with another interesting topic. Until then, bye bye.